are you? All right, fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen,
Alex! Avinash, Shreya, Pooja.
fantastic. Give it up for the entire cast of the Mehta Boys, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us actor par excellence Paman Hirani, the writer and director of the film as well. The lead actors Shreya Chaudhary, Avinash Tiwari, and Pooja Swaroop, along with the writer of Mehta Boys and of course winner of Academy Awards Alexander Dinelaris, I hope I pronounced it rightly, and head of Originals Prime Video India Nikhil Madhok, along with friends and family members Zenobia Irani, Tanesh Irani, Maria Ramirez, and Kelsey Irani. एक बार इन सब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And we are joined with us, the Joint Secretary Films, IND Ministry, Vice Chairman. खूबसूरत moment है, and I think these guys have been waiting for long now. Paman sir, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, the film has won such great accolades internationally. What is your expectation from the IFFI audience?
We are very proud. Internationally, it's already done. We made a little bit of a mark and we want to make more of a mark. But for me, today is our true test. In our homeland, in our hometown, with our people who will hopefully support and love this film. So this is the homecoming. This is the big night. This is Mehta Boys coming home, and hope to God each and every one of you love it as much as we do. Thank you.
So, what according to you about this film is that is going to appeal the most with the IFFI audience, our very own IFFI audience?
Anyone who has had a father will understand this film, will know exactly what we're talking about. Anyone who's had a son will know. Anyone who's had a mother, anyone who's had a daughter, anyone who's had any kind of relationship will realize that life's too short. And if life is too short, one must make sure that you do not waste time allowing your ego to take up that space which kills time. Because life is too short, time is short. And this film teaches us how not to be stupid with the people we love. That's what the movies say.
Make the most of that short time that we have. Sir, a huge fan of yours, like you already know. A diverse filmography that you have. What was so different about this role that made you direct this one and of course acting it?
Films and stories can be about events, about scams, about murders, about many things. But eventually, no matter what the film is or what the genre of the film is, it eventually should be about human beings. But this film, from the get-go, is about human beings. It's not about murder, it's not about scams. It's about human beings and how frail the human ego is, how weak the human ego is. So I think we identify with it, each and every one of us over here. We should identify with it.
I can see a lot of smiles in front of our audience's faces. Sir, first of all, welcome to India. And if I'm not wrong, it's the first time you're writing for an Indian film. How did that feel?
I had the most wonderful time. It started with Bone literally before it was Indian or anything else. We became brothers almost immediately. We found something to find in the story about family, and we developed a brotherhood. And I think it's a film about family, aided by a family led by Bowman, and hopefully that sort of honest love for what we're saying will come through off the screen and people will feel it in their hearts. I hope.
Thank you. So, as one of the creative forces behind this film, what makes the Mehta Boys so special for you?
I think we all know that a relationship between fathers and sons can be complicated and challenging at times. Many people will relate to it. So that's what jumped right at us when we first read the script. But the real honest answer is we're all big fans of Paman Hirani, and we were really keen that we get an opportunity to collaborate with him. And then Alexander joined the team, and they produced such a gem of a script, which has been brought to life by these wonderful artists over here, Shreya, Pooja, Avinash. It's amazing, and we're really proud to be here at the gala. And thank you everyone for joining the screening, and we hope you enjoy.
Fantastic. I'm sure they will. Are you all excited? Yes. Okay. Okay, just a moment. Okay, one moment that resonated the most with you while shooting this film.
I think it's the climax of the film. That's a very, very beautiful scene in the film. And when we were shooting it, I don't think I've ever seen a set unanimously burst into tears. Without giving out too much, just watch the film and you'll understand why that's my favorite film. So that's my most favorite thing on the set.
Fantastic. Give it up for Avinash Tiwari, ladies and gentlemen. I think Avinash is in love with Iffy and Iffy is in love with Avinash because we had a great panel discussion with him yesterday and now he's here with Team Mehta Boys. One moment from the film that resonated the most with you.
I definitely want to talk about the prep that we did for this film. I think in the last few years, this was one of the most engaging workshops that we did. We actually went through so many things trying to decipher what we're trying to do with this film. Choosing a moment would be very difficult for me, but I really want to say the prep of this film holds a stronger memory for me than the shoot. I don't know how to make you understand it. This man standing right here has really pushed me, pushed all of us in fact. And I didn't know that he's such a perfectionist until I met him on the workshop. There's two Boman Irani that I felt during the prep and during the shoot. The one during the prep would push me and make me feel like there's something lacking. And the moment I went to shoot made me feel that there's no other actor like Avinash.
Is that a trick, Baman sir?
So I really hope that whatever has come out of it gets translated to the audience like that, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I'm sure it will. Best wishes. Ma'am, one word that comes to your mind when you hear about Iffy.
Oh, it's a very proud moment for all of us. And it's my husband's labor of love which is materializing, so we are all very happy.
So one word about Iffy.
I'm really, really proud to be here to see my dad realize this moment. It's a great moment for all of us, the whole Irani family. Thank you.
Ma'am, one word. You have been here with us, and thank you to the Government of India for organizing such a great thing. But just one word that's coming in your mind when you have the cast of Mehta Boys with us.
Happiness.
Happiness, fantastic. Did I miss out on anyone? Ma'am, one word, one moment that resonated the most with you.
During the film,
Yes.
while making the film,
Yes.
I'll talk about how they really made you feel like a part of the family, Zenobia and Baman especially. My mother-in-law is Jain, and I don't get to eat eggs at home, so every time I would go for the workshop, Zenobia would send amazing khana for me. So, yeah, thank you. Make sure she doesn't watch this.
Fantastic. Okay, we have with us Amaria ma'am. You gave the world an Oscar-winning production with your son. How are you feeling here in India?
Very proud of Alex. Beyond overwhelmed with the hospitality of Bowman and Zenobia and the whole family. It's overwhelming.
Thank you, ma'am. We are so happy to have you here. I will not make you guys waiting. Just a photo op. Brinda, ma'am, can you please join us? And can we have Delala Lobo, ma'am, for a photo op? Just one photo op, ma'am. So, that's the team of Mehta Boys with our very own Vice Chairman ESG, Delala Link, Brinda Desai, ma'am. All right. Thank you so much.